Happy December 1st and welcome to Vlogmas 2022. So this is not the way I wanted to start Vlogmas, but so this is not the way I had planned on introducing Vlogmas, but that's life. This is it. So last year I was like, I'm gonna do Vlogmas this year. I'm gonna stick to it. You guys know, if you see the pink walls, that means Brixley is sleeping. Brixley's napping, rather. So that's why I'm in here. So even this part of the Vlogmas intro was not supposed to go like this. But anyways, last year I was like, next year I'm doing Vlogmas. I'm sticking to it. Last year I was pregnant, so last year I gave birth December 22nd. So it was the last weeks of my pregnancy. I was not doing it. So I was like, next year I'm gonna do it. I don't know, this year flew faster than any year in my whole entire life. I don't know if it's because it's the first year that I'm a mom. I'm like, I just don't know, but this year flew. So last week I was at the mall and I was like, oh my God, Vlogmas should start next week. I wanted to do like a whole new intro just for Vlogmas and all of that, but anyways, so I was like, wow, I really had a list of video ideas and things I wanted to do, and I didn't even start them. So I was like, I guess I'm just not gonna do Vlogmas this year. So I proceeded to go about my day, walk around the mall, and continue to buy things. And then I was like, wait a minute. Light bulb moment. Like, I heard the angels, the music. It was like, what? Why not do 21 days of luxury unboxing? Even just now, I had to change my memory card. So nothing is going as planned. So I don't even really remember where I left off, but what I was saying was, lately I've been shopping a lot. No surprise there. Some people go to therapy, I go to the mall. Some people talk to a person, I go to Neiman's. It is what it is. So it came to me. I'm like, what about 21 days of luxury unboxings? It sounds really crazy. Yeah, it sounds really crazy. There's no way around that. It sounds really crazy to do 21 days of designer luxury unboxings, but if anybody could do it, it's me. So that's what I want to do for Vlogmas. So definitely make sure, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you're looking down below, subscribing and turning that post notification bell on, because literally every day in December, I'm gonna upload a luxury unboxing. So turn the little post notification on, click the bell so you could come and do that. The reason why I say 21 days when I'm pretty sure Vlogmas is probably like 24 or 25 days. Obviously, today's video, I'm not going to be unboxing anything, even though I had intentions on unboxing something. So I don't know, depending on how long Brixley naps for, I may go film. But I said 21 days because I'm also going to vlog some other cool stuff. And have some other cool things. So I'm sure Vlogmas is like 24 days, 25 days. I'm going to do 21 luxury unboxings. I am going to do a collective haul from Louis, which is going to have stuff that I don't unbox in videos on its own. So it's definitely going to kind of be more than 21 items that you're going to see here on my channel in December. And I also figured, since everybody always asks me for the hair tutorial, the hair products, I figured my Christmas gift to you guys, I'll do that in Vlogmas too. So we're kind of off to a rocky start because I thought this video would be a little bit more, I thought my introduction to Vlogmas and my big announcement of 21 days of luxury unboxings would be a little different, but Briggs fell asleep. I made big ziti. Life kind of just started happening. So yeah, 21 days of luxury unboxings. I have a lot of Louis. I have some Balenciaga. I know that's really controversial right now, but I have some Balenciaga, some Off-White, we may do some Marc Jacobs. So I have a lot. We may do some jewelry. We may do, like a little bit of all of that. So, well, actually, I'm gonna share with you guys. Oh, my finger looked really aggressive. Actually, since today's video, day 1 of Vlogmas, is not really impressive, but informative because I made an announcement, I am actually going to show you guys one early Christmas present I got from my husband that I wouldn't unbox. So give me a second. Let me get it. So I'm back. Yeah. Basically, I don't know, Des and me kind of pick out our gifts from each other every year, kind of, for Christmas. And then we each kind of get each other something that, like a surprise gift, if that makes sense. I feel like, yeah, if that makes sense. So I knew I wanted jewelry. This is actually, you know what? This is actually a good story for, it's a good story time, real quick. I really wanted a Van Cleef bracelet or necklace for Christmas. So this past Sunday, I went to Short Hills Mall with Des, my mom, and Brixley to the Van Cleef boutique there because Des was like, all right, pick out your gift and we'll buy it. So I literally had my mind set on Van Cleef. Well, I had it set in my head for a while because in my world, like if I want something and I think about it for a really long time, I know kind of usually that's something that I really want. So I was like, I really want Van Cleef. Every year too, Des kind of gets me a piece of jewelry. Like last year I got my Cartier ring. The year before that I got a diamond ring, a diamond heart ring. But so I was like, I want Van Cleef to be the jewelry gift this year. So we went to Van Cleef in Short Hills Mall. Super nice store. Well, actually, we said this was a story time, right? So the store itself was super small. If you've ever been to like the Cartier in Short Hills, super big. Tiffany's in Short Hills, super big. Tiffany's in Riverside, super big. So these are all malls in New Jersey, by the way, if you're not from here. My apologies. So yeah, I don't know. The store was kind of small, but I was like, whatever. So I tried the bracelet on first. I tried the mother of pearl. No, I'm lying. I tried the mother of pearl necklace on first. One thing about me with jewelry is I don't take my jewelry off. I'm horrible at it. It just is what it is. If I go swimming in the ocean, I'm swimming with my jewelry on. I know it's a bad habit, but basically I just don't take my jewelry off. Like my necklace, my earrings. sometimes I take my engagement ring off, but I always have my wedding band and my Cartier band on. So I tried on the mother of pearl, and the sales associate was like, well, this is one of our stones that you actually can't shower in. So I was like, okay, well, which one of your stones can you shower in? Because if I put this on my neck or my wrist, I'm not taking it off. I'm just not. So she was like, the black, I think it was like the black, the red, I don't know, basically the solid ones. So I tried on the black necklace. It was pretty. It was pretty. It was nice. But it like wasn't really, it wasn't giving like, pew. So, and I'm talking about the one with just the one motif on it. I was not going to make my husband spend for multiple motifs on the necklace. So then I'm like, you know what? Let me go with the bracelet because I feel like I really do need a bracelet. So I tried on the bracelet in the black and the blue motifs. And I don't know if it's because I have arms full of tattoos. I don't know what it is. But on me, it was so underwhelming. It was like, I mean, it really, like, it just didn't look like anything on. Like, I can't even explain it. Like, it didn't look like anything. I think it may have been my tattoos because I definitely do find it beautiful on women. Well, on anybody who wears them. I guess you don't have to be a woman. But on people that I see with them, which is why I've probably always wanted them, because they look really good on everybody. But I put it on, it just was not it was not hitting. It was not, and especially for the price. So the way Van Cleef's pricing is it basically the single necklace starts at like 25 or 26. Obviously all the metal is gold. They do white gold, rose gold, yellow gold. I don't even know why I'm giving you this much detail but anyway. So yeah, the necklaces start around like 25, 23, 25. And the bracelets start at like 16, 19, around there. And then obviously go up. So I just felt like the necklace for, I think the one I had on was $2,900. I just felt like for $2,900, I was not going to make my husband spend $2,900 on a necklace that just looked like nothing. So anyways, I basically said all of that to say this. So I ended up not getting anything at Van Cleef, and I wasn't even like sad about it because it wasn't like one of those situations where I went there and I was like, oh my god, I can't afford it, or oh my god, I can't get it today, whatever. It wasn't anything special. I was a little disappointed because I was like, I always wanted that. But anyways, so I was trying to think of like another jewelry item. I have a jeweler, he did like my wedding band, stuff like that. So I was like, maybe I'll just go to him and get like some solid stone earrings, like solid diamond earrings. That's really what I've wanted for a minute, where I was like, okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Life is not simple with me. If you know me in real life, you know it's never that simple. It's never, oh yeah, that's what I want. So I ended up in Bloomingdale's. Why was I at Bloomingdale's? The day Brixley went to meet Santa. She went to meet Santa at Riverside Square Mall. Insert a little picture of my girl here. She wasn't really feeling it. I was like, I'm gonna vlog Brixley's first time meeting Santa. Didn't happen. She really wasn't into it. She didn't really cry, but she also didn't smile, as you can tell by the picture. But yeah, so we went to visit Santa at Riverside Square Mall. It was a really nice setup. She looked super cute. So yeah, so I was in Bloomingdale's. So they were having like super big jewelry sales, and then they were doing that buy here, save more situation for the loyalists at Bloomingdale's. I think I've said this before. If you're not a loyalist at Bloomingdale's, you really should be, because you don't even have to use your Bloomingdale's credit card to receive the perks of being a loyalist, if that makes any sense. So they were doing like, I think it was if you spent more than $400, you got 25% off with the buy here, save here. What? Oh, with the buy more, save more. And then you earn triple points on your loyalist. And then all fine diamond jewelry was, I think, 65% off. So I saw these. Gonna focus. There's little diamond snowflakes. Me. So yeah. They're half a carat each. We're not doing a diamond unboxing. That wasn't the point. Are we gonna focus? We're back. So yeah, 65% off plus 25% off plus triple points. It was like, it was a no-brainer. So I think they were like 23 before all the discounts. So do the discounts, do the math in your head, whatever. If you care to do it, do it. It was super, it came out to actually super cheap. So I thought I got a pretty good deal on those. And so thanks, Des. I feel like he doesn't watch my videos anymore, but if you do, thanks. Really love them. We wanted to come on here, welcome everybody to a Vlogmas 2022. Say happy December 1st, and just let you guys know that you really need to turn that post notification bell on, because we're going to do 21 days of designer unboxings. I don't think it's ever been done. I'm not saying it hasn't been done. I've just never seen it done. I've never seen somebody unbox like 21 purses, 21 designer handbags for Vlogmas. So I've never seen it. So I'm gonna do it. And yeah, let me make this disclaimer now in this video. 21 days of designer unboxings does not mean that I'm, you know, Elon Musk Jr. out here, or you know what I mean? It don't mean that. It's Christmas, my birthday's in December. So, you know, it's not to be braggy. 21 days of designer unboxings is not to be braggy. I just thought it would be a super cool concept for Vlogmas, something different, especially because my niche here on YouTube is luxury. So I just thought it would be really cool. Yeah, it's not to be braggy or showy or anything like that. And I feel like the luxury community here on YouTube, they get it. But welcome to Vlogmas. Tomorrow, so yeah, wait. So every day, late afternoon, early evening, expect an upload here on my channel. Yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow in the very first unboxing of Vlogmas 2022. And I feel like this is gonna be fun. So definitely make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notification on. Let me know, a little comment below. I think I want to do like a gingerbread making vlog thing, because have you guys seen Target has, we're getting ahead of ourselves. I will see you guys tomorrow in the very first unboxing of 21 days of designer unboxings for Vlogmas. Why would I wave? That was so unnecessary. I will see you guys tomorrow.